You have to be in my shadow?
Yes.
Alright. Usually the people don't like being in my shadow, but you do.
You made me be in your shadow by bringing me the picture.
Alright, so we're at Sprouts. We're about to do another healthy vegan shopping grocery haul at Sprouts. Why does this look moldy? It's like a blueberry muffin. It's good, I like it. I have no idea what I just ate. These are good.
They have so much sugar.
I'm really excited to try these. The Hanson sodas are like one of the best that
They
I've
have
ever
like
tried.
2 days of one soda can.
But it's all natural sugar. It's like a healthier version of soda and a higher quality version. Anyway, I asked the people at Sprouts what is the best soda here, and they said it's this one, the Hanson's. It's actually the best selling. Hey, it's our friend. We're here to get some samples of the Hanson soda, which we love so much. We've already tried it. Let me know in the comments if you guys like diet soda. For some reason I don't. I never liked it. They use some different sweetener that I don't like.
This is really good because it's made of ditto.
Wow. This Hanson soda is so refreshing. It's good. Cool, now I'm going to try the diet ginger ale. Yeah. The diet one still has that diet soda flavor, which I don't really like because of the sweetener. It's some weird aspartame or something. It's not as bad as other diet sodas, but I still like the regular better. They're doing samples of pretzel crisps, my favorite crackers in the biz. And these ones are everything. They're like the everything bagel style. I'm gonna try some hummus with it. Look, somebody had a little taste and left the rest of it. This is cashew almond dip. That's pretty good. You can get any roll here for $5. We're gonna get a crispy crab roll, one spicy, one regular. And a crunchy shrimp roll, a sriracha party roll.
Okay.
Today we're at Jenny Beauty Supply. Sharon's gonna grab some eyelashes. She loves to get the best eyelashes for her big, beautiful eyes. But first, we're gonna stop at Dollar Tree and see if they have any. I've seen them there before, so I bet you they have some there today. Dollar Tree shopping haul. We're gonna see what interesting finds we found today. I just noticed something really interesting as I was perusing the aisles here. They have this Hurricane automatic toilet tank cleaner. I think we'll give it a try. It comes with 3 packets. I think that this could be handy. I'd rather do this than to have to clean the toilets manually.
What's a Walmart? Do they sell walls there?
Honey, I found eyelashes. Look.
Those are kind of long.
Yeah, those are super long. But you know what? Your eyelashes are so long, I don't know why you wear eyelash extension.
Oh, they have different kinds. Cool. These actually look pretty cool. So I get 2?
I guess. Just try them out first. Just get one of each kind or whatever you want. Look, this whole end cap is lashes. Wow, this place is huge. They have every wig you can imagine. So Sharon wants to get a wig for her
You want to
TikToks.
get me a wig.
So now I'm wearing the eye mask. Sharon put them on me and she's like, you gotta try them. They feel so good.
Sushi's bomb.
Yeah, this is actually really good. I like it. This is my favorite sushi spot. This is the sumo roll. Has everything. Salmon, tuna, and crab. It's like the triple threat. Anyway, it's really good. You know what? Austin is actually like the best part of Texas. We should move there. We're here at Don Francisco's in downtown LA. This coffee, it's a coconut latte. It's pretty good. You know what's even better? This bread pudding is freaking amazing. I've never had such good bread pudding. It reminds me of this Egyptian dessert my aunts used to make. It's so good. Oh my god. It's amazing. And it goes so well with this coconut latte. My taste buds are having a party right now. They're so good. Beautiful. Love it.